Laurel, 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 Laurel.
That was the first audio. Now I listened to this guy distort it, and it sounds like this.
Laurel, 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 Laurel.
Sounds almost demonic, right? I hear two voices now. Creepy. Here.
Laurel, 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 Laurel,
Me too. But I get it. Eerie, eerie. So creepy. That's so creepy. Laurel. Oh my god. It's so creepy. Ew, the distortion, I can't. That sounds really bad. So this kind of reminds me of like overtones whenever a group of people sings like an E3 and then someone comes in and they start doing these crazy beautiful overtone sounds. That's what that reminds me of. Two voices coming out of one mouth. You've got Yanny and Laurel coming out simultaneously. It's crazy. But yeah, he made that happen. I can hear that.